Hello guys, in this video we will be exploring loops in Python. So in Python there are main two types of loop, which is for loop and while loop. So without wasting any time, let's explore them in detail. So for that, let's move to the chapter 8 folder of this course. Here I have added three files. The first two files are common. So this is description file and this is our coding file, and this is the star pattern file, which is actually an image. I will show the image later on. So for now, let's open this folder in VS Code. So as you can see, the folder is already open, and I will simply click on this chapter8.py file, and these are the simple contents of file. Suppose if I want to print first 10 numbers, so we can directly type here as print 1, after that print 2, after that print 3, and so on up till 10. But what if we want to print first 1000 numbers or first 10 lakh numbers? Then we can't type this print 1 print, then we can't type this print 1 print 2 print 3 till 1000, 1 lakh or infinity. So to overcome this problem, Python has given two options, which is for loop and while loop. So it will help to print the number in looping manner. So I will just simply close this or erase this part and uncomment these two lines. So how we can declare a for loop in Python? So the syntax is in already front of you, as you can see. So for I, so I is normally a index in range 1 to 6, which means that it will start from 1 and it will go till 6, not 6, it will go till 5, which is 6 minus 1. So the output of this for loop will be 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and not 6, because this is the starting point, and the ending point of while loop is 1 minus n, which is 6 in our case. So I will simply run this program, and as you can see, the output is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is very faster than normal typing. And I can also edit this to 16, so it will simply print from 1 to 15. So let's try it. So as you can see, it has simply printed 1 to 15. So let's comment this. So in this way we can use for loops in Python. Now other type of looping structure is while loop. So for that we have to write some extra code which is in front of you. So firstly we have to declare a counter. The value of counter will be 1, and we have to declare a while loop using a condition. So while, which is a name of the loop, counter is less than, so this is less than equal to symbol, which means that till the counter is less than 5, which means the value in the counter is less than 5, go in the while loop and perform the operation. So what are the operations in while loop? So the operations are printing the counter. So print the value of counter, and after that increment the value of counter by 1. So it will simply print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because we have added an equal to sign. So let's see a demo of it, then I will explain you once again. So as you can see, it has printed 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and suppose if I just remove this equal to sign, then it will print less than 5, which is this 1, 2, 3 and 4. It has not included 5, as you can see. Now this while loop is very dangerous to use, means we have to use this while loop very cautiously, because it can generate segmentation fault error. So what is segmentation fault error? So segmentation fault error is just a program that goes on running continuously and it fills up entire space in our memory, and which results in the segmentation fault error. So I will just show you that segmentation fault error. So I will simply erase this and just type here 2. The meaning of 2 is just go on executing this while loop continuously. So I will simply run this program and just wait, and as you can see, the numbers are going on infinitely. It will never stop until the segmentation fault error occurs. It takes some time. So as you can see, it is not stopping at all. So I will simply click on this button to stop the program forcefully. and the program is stopped. So this is the dangerousness, or I can say drawback of while loop, that the while loop can go continuously, so we have to add a terminating condition. So I will simply make this line as it was before, so which was while counter is less than 5. So this was basic introduction about for loop and while loop. Now let's try to print some amazing patterns using these two loops. So I will simply write first line, which is same from here, and second line, which is print star into I, which means that print star in I number of times. So when the for loop will go on first line, it will check that the value of I is 1, so it will print star one time. Then it will go back to line number 13, it will increment the value automatically in the backend. Now the value of I is 2, and it will check that it is smaller than 6. Yes, then it will go inside the print statement, it will print this symbol for 2 times, and again go to 13, check the value, print, check the value, print. So let's check the beautiful output first. So let's wait, and as you can see, it has simply printed a right angle triangle for me. So it's a beautiful right angle triangle, as you can see. Now let's perform the same operation using while loop. So I will simply comment this part and uncomment this part. So I have used here rows which is equal to 5 and I equal to 1, and in while loop I have written the condition that I must be less than or equal to rows, and after that I have printed star into I, which is the same line, and just incremented the I value after each iteration. So I will simply run the program and it will give me similar output, as you can see. Now I will give you a homework. So before moving to the next part of video, you must try this type of various patterns to make your basic understanding in while loops very strong. The patterns that you must try is, which is star pattern. So this is first pattern that I have already tried. This is the second pattern. This is the third pattern. This is the diamond shape pattern, and this is a opposite pattern of this pattern, as you can see. So it's a challenge from me to try all this pattern before moving to the next video. So that's all for this video of loops. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching this video.